Hello, I'm in a 2019 Ford Fiesta, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from here we will go down, and you should see a little lever here with some resistance that you pull. That pop sound was the safety releasing. There's no tension at all. It might already be loose for the safety, but otherwise right up in here you can kind of see there's a cable that you want to make sure is tight and connected. But we'll go up to the hood now. Most vehicles towards the center you should find. Release. Just right there. That's it. There's the hook it was on, and then your whole mechanism for your release. So for that to work, you just pulled up, so it kind of like went this way and then lifted the hood. If you're having issues, sometimes there's some gunk in here, might need a little WD-40, something cleaned up, or sometimes if your hood's not quite aligned straight, or that piece, you need to recenter everything so it works. And then worst case scenario, these parts are fairly affordable to replace this mechanism or the cables running into it. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.